How to create purchase return in Businet. Users can create purchase return against source, type, such as purchase invoice, direct, ad hoc, service, and consumable invoice. In case source type is purchase invoice, then users need to select supplier and invoice number, and the items will be auto-populated. Further, users need to enter batch-wise return quantity, can also apply other charges and round off if required. Users can allocate cost center against respective GL accounts, and once the document is approved, financial voucher will be auto-posted in financial accounting module. Users can also generate PDF print of the respective document. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact the Businet team.